Question 1. Which river basin is called Roo of India? Right answer. Option B. Damodar. Next question. Which has an adverse effect on Indian monsoon? Right answer. El Nino. Next question. In which latitudes are seasonal contrasts maximum? Right answer. Option C. Mid latitudes. Next question. Which state in India is known as the Rice Bowl? Right answer. Option B. Andhra Pradesh. Next question. What are doldrums? Right answer. Option A. Kalem wind belt near equator. Next question. Valley of Flowers is located in which state? Right answer. Option C. Uttarakhand. Next question. Which is called herring pond? Right answer. Option B. Atlantic Ocean. Next question. What is the name of Indian southern tips? Right answer. Option C. Indira Point. Next question. Lines joining places receiving equal rainfall are called? Right answer. Option C. Isohyets. Next question. Reason behind declining climate of Maldives? Right answer. Option C. High population density. Next question. Which place gets the least rainfall in India? Right answer. Option C. Jaisalmer. Next question. Which hill station is known as the Queen of Satpura? Right answer. Option A. Panchmadi. Next question. Which are the two volcano islands in Indian territory? Right answer. Option B. Narkundam and Barin. Next question. Which is the longest national highway in India? Right answer. Option C. NH44. Next question. India is divided into how many seismic zones? Right answer. Option C. 4. Next question. Guru Shekhar peak is located in? Right answer. Option B. Rajasthan. Next question. Longest river flowing entirely in India? Right answer. Option B. Ganga. Next question. Which forest type covers maximum area in India? Right answer. Tropical most deciduous. Next question. Drainage pattern developed on folded sedimentary rocks? Right answer. Option C. Drills. Next question. Which ecosystem covers the largest area on Earth? Right answer. Option C. Marine ecosystem. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो आप इसको लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करते हैं। थैंक यू। हेलो।